Hi there, students. Ludic. Ludic is an adjective. I guess you could have ludically as well. Let's see. Ludic describes play, playful. So, I don't know, there is a ludic area provided for children. A very formal way of saying a playground. You can also use ludic to talk about games of chance and gambling, like roulette or something like that. Ludic games at the casino. So let's see, we can use ludic to mean lively and full of fun. The hotel provided a large variety of ludic activities for people to do. Things where people could play while they were on holiday. This motorbike has a very ludic quality that characterizes it. It's like something that you play with. So, ludic. Spontaneous playfulness. She's a very ludic person. She's bubbly and always wanting to play with things. Very playful. So young animals, puppies, are very ludic creatures. They spend their lives playing ludically. They have ludic behavior. They show ludic behavior. A ludic kitten. A ludic remark, a joking remark. So ludic. I think the Americans also use this to talk about somebody's attitude, full of play and having fun, but they don't have a serious goal. So I don't know, some people might view poetry and art as purely ludic activities, things that you can enjoy yourself doing and have fun, but being a poet, it doesn't have any real meaning or function. Being an artist, I think that's pretty harsh. There's even a game in English, Ludo. It's a board game, a bit like Snakes and Ladders. So ludic, full of play. Wanting to play spontaneously. And notice as well, though, ludic activities, a casino is full of ludic games. So talking about games of chance. And then we actually have the Ludic Fallacy. And this is a theory that says that it's not good normally applying mathematical models to predict the future for several reasons. Firstly, the real life and a mathematical model, you never have all the facts, and a small variation in data could change that idea. Let's see. Imagine two people. One's very logical and one's very practical. And you say to them, okay, I've taken this coin and I've tossed it and I got heads 99 times. So the one who's logical will say, well, this is just luck. The probability that you throw heads a second time has no effect on the outcome. But the one who's practical and lives by his wits says, no, there's something wrong here. The coin is flawed. There's a trick to this. and the coin is loaded. It can't be a fair game, and this is maybe the idea of ludic fallacy. So ludic, full of fun and energy, a ludic quality, spontaneous energy. Yeah, a ludic young animal who is always into ludic activities. So formality, this is a formal literary word. I think I'm going to give this 7.5 to 8 in formality. As to origin, this comes from Latin ludo, I play. Okay, so enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Ludic.